Thanks for watching. Panadayan.
First, we're going to boil the potato until cook. Whisk the egg, spring onions, peel the cooked potatoes and then mash them. Cut the cheese into halves. Cut the first half into botany cut and grate the other half. All-purpose flour, butter, rice, salt, baking powder, ground pepper.
So let's begin making our cheesy potato rice.
I'm so excited!
Okay, the first thing we need to do, we're going to mix all of these ingredients. First, we need to put these mashed potato. And then okay, besh.
Okay. What's
Going
next,
to
Besh?
this one.
Salt.
Salt.
Baking soda.
Baking powder. All-purpose.
So we're going to mix everything. Oh, it's
Yes.
so easy.
Yes, very easy. And then our melted butter. And then our powder black pepper. And our cheese. Since cheese siya, we need more cheese.
Yeah,
And
cheesy.
then egg. Last is our scallion. Okay, now we're going to mix our
Oh, it's very easy.
condiments first. Okay, then we're going to put our rice. 4 cups of rice. Okay, so now we're done mixing our ingredients. So what we're going to do next is
Is what, Besh? I have no idea. Explain it to me.
okay, we're going to roll. How do you call this one?
Just show it.
Okay, wait. So we're going to get a small amount.
Okay.
Wait lang. Ay, naku,
Small amount.
Small amount and then roll. And then we're going to
Okay.
just like this so that we can add the cheese.
Oh.
And then we close.
And then
Then it's done. So then we're done preparing our cheesy potato rice. Look at
wow, I'm
that.
so excited. So, what's next, Besh?
We're going to deep fry this one.
Okay, so let's go.
Go!
Heat the oil in a saucepan.
Okay, we're going to deep fry our cheesy potato rice.
Put it in the pan one by one. Then fry it until it becomes golden brown. So this is now the finished product.
So, finally, it's eating time. So guys, we have our guest here.
Yes, and they are going to give us an honest review of the taste of our
Cheesy potato rice. So, let me introduce first our guest. So, in my left side, we have the Gordon Ramsay of Patrickios. And then,
Of course, the owner of a Michelin-star restaurant
wow. In Surigao.
So,
Lasang cheese.
Okay, and
Lasang rice.
what do you say?
It's rice.
Is it delicious?
From 1 to 10.
And what's your rating?
It's in the cake.
oh my God.
So, from the outside texture, it's not that really crunchy. So, it's not that really crunchy, but the inside is soft. So, I think it's delicious and it's yummy. So, it's good for, I guess it's good for a 3 p.m. snacks. Yeah. You know, my rating is, I would say it's 8.9. From 1 to 10, 8.9. Yes.
Okay, so
Approve.